tasmān nāpratyaya-mayaṁ nāpratyaya-mayaṁ phalam saṁvidyate phalābhāvāt pratyaya-pratyayāḥ kutaḥ pratyaya-pratyayāḥ kutaḥ.
Tasmān nāpratyaya-mayaṁ nāpratyaya-mayaṁ phalam saṁvidyate phalābhāvāt pratyaya-pratyayāḥ kutaḥ pratyaya-pratyayāḥ kutaḥ. MMK chapter 1 verse 14, the concluding verse of MMK chapter 1. Hence the fourth pada repeated in that recitation. Pratyaya-pratyayāḥ kutaḥ. How are there causes or non-causes? How is there a cause or a non-cause? How is there such a thing as a cause or a non-cause? Quite a radical conclusion for a chapter which is about causes. So the key word, one of the key words, the beginning of the verse is tasmāt. Tasmāt means therefore or on these grounds. The art ending expresses the ablative. Ablative means from something, on the grounds of something, on the basis of something. So tasmāt means from that, on these grounds, on those grounds. So the grounds in question are the teaching of emptiness. The emptiness or dependent arising is the grounds on which Nagarjuna is exploring various things in the early chapters of MMK before he comes to his conclusion. Has to do with the Four Noble Truths in chapter 24, 25, 26 and 27. So on these grounds, tasmāt, na saṁvidyate means not found, is not found. So vidyate is third person singular passive of vid, to find, and sam, the prefix sam, includes the sense of together. So not found together, just means not found. So what is not found is phalam, a fruit, an effect. Phalam na saṁvidyate, an effect is not found. So what kind of effect? Pratyaya-mayaṁ phalam. So pratyaya-mayaṁ means made from causes, and nāpratyaya-mayaṁ phalam means an effect made from non-causes. So in the opponent's scheme, there is an effect. Let's say an oak tree is an effect, it's a real thing. And it's, how does it come to be? It comes to be from real causes like an acorn, like soil, like rainwater, or else it springs from non-causes. For example, who knows? Does an oak tree spring from the reality of a wizard's mind, let's say? Well, the answer is no, it doesn't. But in the thoughts of the stupid opponent, who is not awake to dependent arising, a real thing, a real self-existing thing, has to come either from really self-existing causes, or else it springs from non-causes. So Nagarjuna is saying, in the real world, in the world of emptiness, an effect made from causes or from non-causes is not found. The kind of effect which the realist opponent conceives of is not found. An oak tree is not found as a really self-existing thing. made from real self-existing causes, or else made from non-causes. Tasmān nāpratyaya-mayaṁ, nāpratyaya-mayaṁ, phalam. That's the first line. Then the first word of the second line is saṁvidyate. So that word goes with the meaning of the first line. On these grounds, tasmān, an effect, phalam, made from causes, pratyaya-mayaṁ. So nominative singular neuter agreeing with phalam, pratyaya-mayaṁ, made from causes, or from non-causes, nāpratyaya-mayaṁ. So that nāpratyaya-mayaṁ is na plus apratyaya-mayaṁ. So the na is repeated. So is not found is na saṁvidyate. So the na is repeated. So it means literally tasmān, on these grounds, nāpratyaya-mayaṁ saṁvidyate, nāpratyaya-mayaṁ phalam saṁvidyate. A effect made of causes is not found. Nāpratyaya-mayaṁ phalam saṁvidyate. An effect made from non-causes, na saṁvidyate, is not found. So more literally, neither an effect made from causes nor one made from non-causes is found. On these grounds, an effect made from causes or from non-causes is not found. In the absence of an effect, phalābhāvāt, so phala, effect, bhava, it means existence, so abhava, non-existence. Abhāvāt, again that's ablative, so because of the non-existence of an effect. In other words, in the absence of an effect. So on the grounds of the non-existence of an effect. In other words, in the absence of an effect, pratyayāpratyayāḥ kutaḥ. Kutaḥ means, so taḥ is also an ablative suffix. From, kutaḥ means from what. That means from what cause or how. Pratyayāpratyayāḥ kutaḥ. How is there a cause or a non-cause? Pratyayāpratyayāḥ is nominative, plural, masculine. So how are there causes or non-causes? How is there a cause or a non-cause? Phalābhāvāt, pratyayāpratyayāḥ kutaḥ. In the absence of an effect, how is there a cause or a non-cause? So what's been negated here, in conclusion, is the possibility of a non-empty, self-existing cause as the opponent conceives it. So if we're talking about an oak tree, the obvious self-existing cause would be conceived to be an acorn. But what Nagarjuna is saying is there is no such thing as an acorn as a separate self-existing thing. So in the absence of such a cause, and also in the absence of a non-cause, because a non-cause is something other than a cause. And if there's no such thing as a cause, there's no such thing as something which is other than a cause, or there's no such thing as an absence of a cause. That a cause exists is the eternity view, and that a cause is absent or cause doesn't exist is the opposite view, the view of annihilation. Those are the two views which the Buddha negated when he taught dependent arising in the middle. So in this sentence, in this line, phalābhāvāt, pratyaya-pratyayāḥ kutaḥ, pratyaya-pratyayāḥ kutaḥ. In the absence of an effect, how is there a cause or a non-cause? Nagarjuna's conclusion is there is no such thing as a non-empty effect. That might be an oak tree, it might be suffering, it might be the action that puts an end to suffering, dukkha paryanta karma. There is no such effect as a non-empty, self-existing thing. And in the absence of such a non-empty effect, how can there be such a thing as a cause or a non-cause? So a cause or a non-cause, as we've habitually conceived them, are not found. Why is that important? Well, that emerges more clearly in chapter 24, for example, when Nagarjuna considers the practical meaning of emptiness in terms of the Four Noble Truths. Suffering does not have a cause, and neither is it not caused, because it's dependently arisen. An action which puts an end to suffering also, the causes of it neither exist nor don't exist. So he's laying the grounds for us to deepen our understanding of the practical value of our action. The fact that a cause of action does not exist, and neither is action uncaused, can motivate us to deepen our understanding of what it means to act in such a way that suffering is brought to an end.